Jesus said to him, "If you want to be perfect, go, sell what you have and give to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven, and come, follow me. And though I bestow all my goods to feed the poor, and though I give my body to be burned, but have not love, it profits me nothing." The wicked borrows and does not repay, but the righteous shows mercy and gives. Heal the sick, cleanse the lepers, raise the dead, cast out demons. Freely you have received, freely give. But when you do a charitable deed, do not let your left hand know what your right hand is doing, that your charitable deed may be in secret, and your Father who sees in secret will himself reward you openly. Then he said to them, "Go your way, eat the fat, drink the sweet, and send portions to those for whom nothing is prepared, for this day is holy to our Lord. Do not sorrow, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. Open your mouth, judge righteously, and plead the cause of the poor and needy.